Hi, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. Happy New Year's, everybody. I know this is short notice, but the holidays caught up to Serena and I, and before we knew it, we were like, oh my God, it's January 31st. So we worked out some details about 52 and 22, and you're like, what is this? This was not our idea. This was Dawn, aka Miss America, came up with this cool idea. 52 weeks in 22. Ta-da! Year 2022, of course. So it's going to be hashtag 52 and 22. I'm here to tell you what it consists of. Sabrina and I are the kind of hosting this and coming out with some ideas. And if you guys have any ideas to join into this 52 and 22, let us know. So here we go. I got this all set up nicely. I worked on this so I can keep it in order. So it's hashtag 52 and 22. You don't have to mail anything. Each month there will be a different idea. Each week a different theme. For example, January, it's ATC cards. So it'd be the whole month ATC cards. And in each week, there would be a different theme. In February, it's tags. On the last Wednesdays of each month, Sabrina and I will do a video letting you know what the next month is. Right now, you know it's tags because we already decided that. But you would like to join, you would have to contact Sabrina and I for the week's themes. And my email is tinascraftylife@gmail.com. If you haven't joined Tina's Crafty and Friends on Facebook, please do so. The links are in my description, or just hit that social media link. It'll bring you there. And Sabrina's email is sabrinajean@123@gmail.com. If you don't do videos, you can still do this. This is the fun thing about this, okay? Everybody can do it. Everybody can join it. Because you can share it on Tina's Crafty Life and Friends. That's why I'm reading off my paper and I forgot life. My bad. I thought that looked right. Weird. See? This is me not editing. There we go. Tina's Crafty Life and Friends. I thought that looked weird when I said it. But you can share it on my Facebook page, Tina's Crafty Life and Friends. Or if you have Instagram, just hashtag 52 and 22. Or you can send the pictures of your creation to Sabrina and I. And then Sabrina will do a video, because she knows the ins and outs of editing. So she will do like a video of everybody's that sent pictures. And she will do a video, or she will add it to her own video. Okay? Then everybody can see what you created. So if you don't do videos, you don't do Facebook, you don't do Instagram, you still can participate in this. You can send it to Sabrina or I. And I will make sure it gets to Sabrina, and then Sabrina will do the video. She's really good at that. You don't have to join each week or month either. So if you say, like, you do week 1, but you don't want to do week 3 because you don't like what we picked for week 3, you don't have to do it. You may do a giveaway if you like on your channel. You are responsible for that giveaway, not Sabrina and I. Okay? And I'd like to thank you, Miss America, aka Dawn, for this idea of 52 and 22. Dawn suggested this, back in November. And it didn't click, and we didn't get into it until the other day, and we're like, oh, okay, I got it. So I need to thank Dawn again. Thank you, Dawn. So here it is, guys. This is what. Okay. Now, for January, I know the first Friday's coming up this week, but it's ATC cards. Who can't whip out an ACT card? You would make 4 ATC cards each week. It's a different theme. Like week 1, that'd be the 3rd through the 7th. It's clock or time theme. And then week 2 would be winter or snow, which is week 10 and 14. Week 3 is 17 through 21 is Disney theme. Week 4 is 24 to 28, and that's steampunk. Load your video or your pictures each Friday, 1 Eastern, noon Central, 11 Mountain, 10 Pacific. Please have your pictures. Now, if you, like I said, if you don't do Instagram, you don't do videos, and you don't know how to get them on like Facebook, because all the pictures also that you are going to send to Sabrina or I, she will send me pictures back. I will send her pictures. I will also put them on a thing on my Facebook group. Okay? No later than Thursdays if you don't do videos. Okay, guys? You got to have them to us so we can have the time to get things together. And I'm not sure on the Thursday. I watched Sabrina's video and I know she said something when to have them there, but I thought Thursday works for me. So, like I said, everybody can do this. If you don't do videos, you don't do Instagram, you're a crafter that just watches, but you would like to participate and you would like to share what you create, you can just send it through an email, and all we do, email or messenger, or load it yourself on Tina's Crafty Life, or we will do it for you. So, if you have any questions, feel free to contact Sabrina and I will have our emails down in the description box. Mine's already there. I'll just add Sabrina's here. So, I hope that if you have any questions, just contact us. I think it's going to be fun, easy. Like I said, each month will be a different, like next month, we're doing tags, but each week we'll have a different theme. And you never know, it might be a crafter's choice in there too. So, I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you join in. Like I said, it's use what you have. Me and Sabrina, we're still kind of coming out with some ideas. We're kind of throwing some things out there. If we get a bunch of you guys that join that are regular, we're going to kind of give you an email. We're going to work something out where if, say, like for July, you may need this. We'll send an email out so that you can kind of get ahead of the game. But we're trying to keep it to things that we know should be in everybody's craft room. We don't want you to have to go spend money to do this, okay? So, I want to thank you guys for watching. Like I said, if you have any questions, please contact Sabrina and I. As always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now, and Happy New Year.